Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I've got yet another very exciting unboxing to share with you guys today. And of course, that is from Hermes as well. If you have seen my last video, you guys know that I've also got a bag on the same day that I shop at Hermes. And I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to tell you guys directly what the bag is. And that is the Lindy 26 in the color Etoupe and in the Palladium hardware, which is silver hardware. And I will show you guys in a second. I've already unboxed the bag. I'll just let you show you guys, this is the box that it came in. And it is quite huge, considering that it is just the size 26, but the box is quite huge. And of course on the inside, we have got all the packaging here. Ta-da-da-da, this is the bag from the store. Like I mentioned previously, so this is the Lindy 26 in the color Etoupe in silver hardware. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Although I'm sure all of you guys should be very familiar with this bag. This is what the bag looks like. It looks very lovely and stunning. So this is the lock where you can close the bag. And if you want to open the bag, there is a zip right here. And then you essentially open this flap. And then again, I have got all the stuffing inside. So this is what the bag looks like on the inside. Essentially, it is just a massive hole, which is a very good thing because if you know me very well, you know that I love fitting tons of stuff. On the bottom, I believe it is in the Swift leather, which is a very smooth leather. And then right here we have got the Hermes logo. On the side of the bag we have got a pocket here, which is the same on the other side. And then on the back, essentially it is just plain leather. And on the bottom, very good, we have got 5 feet to protect the bottom of the bag. And I forget to mention about this leather as well. So this is in the classic Clemence leather. I've actually never tried on a Lindy bag before, although of course I have always loved this bag and I've always wanted this bag for a very long time. But last time I went to the store, it was my first time try on this bag. After I tried it on, I instantly really in love with this bag because it looks really good. I really love how casual it looks, but at the same time you can fit tons of items. From what I've been told, usually people will just close the flap and they're not going to really like fully close the bag because it's going to take tons of time. So let me show you guys if I do need to close the bag fully. It will look like so. Essentially you put this thingy there. You have to press against the leather because I've got nothing inside. It is really hard for me to like close the bag. It is almost like impossible. I'm just not going to close the bag. Anyway, I'll just like to show you guys how you usually close the bag, even though I couldn't really do so now because I've got nothing inside. But you can tell if you really want to close the bag fully, it definitely takes a bit of time. So usually you will just close the bag like so. And if you're even lazier, again from what I've been told, some people will not even zip the bag. They will just leave it like so. But I think if you close the bag, it will look better like this. I've also got a Zumini bag organizer with me as well. Zumini has been very kind once again sent me this bag organizer. And again, I've opted for the Silky one because last time, the one that I have with my house on, it is really good. So this time I opt for the same one as well. But this time it is in cream color. I've also added a base here as well. So let me try to put this bag organizer inside my Lindy bag. And of course, it fits like a glove. A bag organizer is very important because you want to keep the shape of the bag and protect the inside of the bag as well, especially when your bag is fully leather lined, just like this one. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like. And then of course, one of the features of this bag is that in the middle, it slouches, which looks very nice. The reason why I really want to get this bag is because it fits tons of items. It can definitely fit all my daily essentials. And secondly, it just looks so effortless and cool. You guys know I love a bag that doesn't have a huge logo on it, and this is the bag that ticks all the boxes for me. And of course, I have heard so many good things about the Lindy bag. People use it for a very long time, but it still look brand new. Although it's very expensive to buy directly from the store right now, I expect that I'm gonna use this bag quite a lot. So in terms of cost per wear, I think it's gonna be alright. Let me try it on for you guys so that you guys can have a look and see how this bag looks on me. I'm 5'7", just for your reference. Yeah, so this bag looks very cool. I will keep you guys updated on the wear and tear of this bag after I have used it for quite some times. And if you have any questions about the Lindy bag, feel free to comment down below. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you guys enjoy watching this kind of video, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.